And we said it in the last video, we have to test our exponential average. Before that, we have to fill the gap, and we did precisely as we said, around the 0.70, and we bounced because we expected to have this bounce because we said this is a psychological level have to be filled, and if we went below the gap, we're gonna see a test for the 0.70, and that's what happened because we did it around the 14th of March when we talked about CEI, and we said this is what happen if we want to fill the gap or went to go below the gap. We're gonna see the price go here and bounce from the 0.70 precisely. So what's happened today or around the 15th of March, after just we did our video on the 14th of March, the price went precisely as we predicted and bounced from the 0.70 and went up to test our exponential average and go down again. So this exponential average has been tested right now. So what we should expect right now, we're gonna talk about it in a bit after we discuss the fundamental, because here you can see the CEI, Camber Energy Institution Ownership. So lately, if you see from the 2017 and December 17, 2018, there's not a lot of institution buying CEI. However, lately, look with me what's going on. Like just the last month right now, we see a big jump in institution buying for CEI. Right now, you ask me, what's that mean? Yes, everybody knows that CEI is on verge of merger, which will drive the price in the near future to higher price. That's why we see an interest in this institution ownership right now, but we have to be subjective and biased. We don't have to jump in conclusion. Potential benefit of CEI merging with Viking stock. Here we have both company as a legacy oil and gas production or producer. Next point is CEI and Viking have both made the shift to become diversified green energy play. You ask me why this is a good in the future, because if we go here, you can see US plans to achieve 50 or almost 52% reduction from that greenhouse gas pollution. So this will be good in the future, because in 2030 in US 50% reduction for 2030, and EU as well plan to cut the emission by 55% by 2030. So we can see the diversifying from now is a good in growth and long run, and this will have a shift for the price as well. So if we go back in the technical and discuss again what's going to happen in short term, we said that here we have our exponential average. This is the turning point for CEI, which is here around our exponential average. We're around the 0.87. We already tested today. I think today. And we have this bounce from this 0.70, and we filled the gap below it. So what we expect right now is still bearish. Any price below this 0.8060, potentially we're gonna have to test and we go back around this technical area around the 0.55. Any price below this exponential average is bearish. Any price go above the $1 will ignite the price for CEI to go for this box and higher. This is simple as possible because this exponential average show us the control of the share of the price of CEI right now. Any price below is mean there's heavy shorting position on CEI, and that's why we saw today a test and a rejection candle happening below our exponential average. This line, the blue line, if you don't know what I'm talking about, the blue line, that's what we're talking about. Any price below, you see here we got rejected. Any price, we have even a gap and we have the squeeze and the price jump up. Right now we're still below it, so any price will go above this will ignite the squeeze again. Any price below, we're gonna see the price consolidate to find the support, strong support, which would be around the 0.55, 0.52. So hopefully that was informative, And as we said, we do a lot of alert here on our trading view. We did lately MULN. We predicted the price to hit the $1.54, and our Bitcoin as well. We talked about it here as well. So if you want to join and to be updated for a lot of stocks, you can join us in the link in comment section below. If you don't know how to join, send me a message for my business email, trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. Again, trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. If you have any question, let me know, and I will reply as fast as possible to reply on your question, and I'll give you a bit of clearing what's the difference between our like Patreon and Discord and TradingView community. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next update.